Welcome back. Well, it's a lot about the pharmaceutical stocks this afternoon. So I am going to talk about Alkem now. Now, Alkem, that stock is rallied around 30-odd% on a year-to-date basis. It's up around 4-odd% at this point in time. It's come out with its numbers, and that's what it's reacting to. In fact, it is the best margins that they've reported all the way since Q2 of FY23. So the margins have come in at around 21.7% versus 14.7% on a year-on-year basis and versus estimates of around 16-odd%. So that seems to be the key factor which has really enthused the street. Revenue up around 11 to 12-odd% this time, so that too is better than expectations. And we have the profit, which is better than expectations as well. The street was working with around 436-odd crores. It's coming at around 620-odd crores. In terms of India, that was up around 5-odd%. There is a high base which has impacted it. We have the generic revenue from the US, which is coming at around $92 million. That's up around 9% on a Q-on-Q basis. So overall, good set of numbers, and it's really the margins which have outperformed this time for Alkem. Well, Dipan, are you looking at this particular stock? The margins have done well, almost 22% for this particular quarter. Do you think it's sustainable? Would you be a buyer?
No, I think these are great set of numbers from Alkem, and I'm really surprised at the jump in the margins because the pharmaceutical business, especially the India business, is pretty much a stable margin business, and how they can report such a high margin number needs to be questioned, and the management needs to have perhaps provide some explanation for that. Of course, we take it with both hands because a lot of the products of the company are also under the price controls per se, so maybe they've got a price increase over there. But the best part about Alkem is its focus on the domestic market, where the brands are the kings, and that's how they're able to sustain secular growth over the past several years or so. And that particular business model is not going to change. So very positive on Alkem, and I'm really looking forward to what the management has to comment on why such great set of numbers have come through, and especially the question you asked about the sustainability of margins.
Okay, Dipan, we'll leave the conversation here for now. Thank you very much for joining in. By the way, BS